Welcome to the slop farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming the sheet metal thickness and choosing the correct die or leaf setting so the bend will set properly. Once clamped, position the marked bend line exactly at the break edge. This controls accuracy. Apply steady pressure to engage the clamping bar, then lift the bend leaf slowly until you reach the initial angle. Do this deliberately so the metal yields evenly. If you rush, you'll get an uneven crease. Make sure to check alignment before the full bend. Once the first small bend is set, continue forming the main angle by lifting the leaf in controlled increments. This reduces stress and minimizes springback. Use an angle gauge or protractor against the flange to monitor progress so you don't overshoot. If you need a tight radius, back off and reclamp, then make a second pass. Keep your hands centered and apply steady, even force. Abrupt moves can distort the part. Remember why. Gradual forming yields a cleaner, accurate bend. To finish, close the leaf fully if needed, release the clamp, and inspect the bend against your reference measurement so the part fits. If you see a slight twist or kink, use a soft mallet and backing block to straighten small distortions. This preserves the edge. If the metal split or you overbent, consider annealing soft steels and rebending with a shim to reduce stress. If things go wrong, stop and reassess material condition before continuing to avoid irreparable damage.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.